How to live screen mobile games on TikTok. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application TikTok is already installed on your device. Also make sure that it is up to date. Once you have the latest version of TikTok, open it. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your account that you want to go live. Once you are in here, click on this plus icon at the bottom. At the bottom, swipe all the way to the left and the option of live will be available to you. So the first thing you should know that in order to live stream or go live on TikTok, you must have at least 1000 followers. If you have below 1000 followers, then you won't be able to go live. So once you have 1000 followers, the live option will be available to you. In here you should see the option of mobile games. If you have that option, simply head over to it and then choose the game that you want to stream. After that, you have to set all the settings. And once you're ready to stream, all you want to do is click on go live and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can live stream mobile games on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.